So to fix this problem, first of all, you have to tap on your power button for some while. So when you tap on your power button for some while, you're going to see, or you're going to find restart. Just tap on restart to restart your device. After restarting your device and it's still not working, what you have to do is to go to your phone menu and try to search for your phone settings. So when you find your phone settings, just tap on your phone settings, tap on apps and notifications, tap on see your apps, tap on the search apps at the top, then try to search for the name of the app. So tap on it. Now tap on force stop, then tap on OK, tap on storage and cache, tap on the clear cache, go back and tap on notifications and make sure this show notification is turned on. Now go back and tap on permissions and make sure you allow edit permission over here. Go back and also select mobile data and Wi-Fi and make sure the background data is turned on like this. After doing all this, what you have to do is to go back to your phone settings again, tap on network and internet, then you tap on mobile network, tap on select the network you want or the network you are using. Then after that, you have to scroll a little bit and tap on advanced. Now tap on preferred network type, then make sure you select 4G, 3G, 2G or 2. After selecting this, what you have to do is to go to your Google Play Store and tap on update over here to get the latest updates of this app. So when you can see or when you can find open over here, just leave it like that. But when you are seeing update over here, just tap on it to get the latest update. After that, what you have to do is to tap on your power button for some while, tap on restart and tap on OK to get your device restart or reboot. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you in my next video.